Hey guys, if you wanna learn this simple and quick black smoky eye look, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with this Elegant Pro Conceal and applying it all over my eyes. This will hide all the redness and darkness under your skin. And then I'm going for a setting powder to set my base. This will create a smooth blending. For eyeshadow, today I'm going for Morphe X James Charles palette and grabbing this shade. I'm applying this shade as a transition color, and with a fluffy dense brush I'm creating a circular motion and also moving back and forth. Make sure that you use a small amount of the product first and then build the color later so that there is no any harsh lines. Next I'm going on with this shade and applying it with a small brush, and I'm focusing on the inner corner and outer corner. I am only applying in that specific part and not moving above that transition shade, and blending it in a circular motion. Since black is really a shade that is difficult to blend, so I suggest you guys to apply small amount of the color first. Then I'm going on with this glitter shade and applying it in the middle of the eyelid. I'm applying it with my fingers so that it gives more pigment. Then I'm going on with a big blending brush to smooth out the edges, and I'm also applying the black shade on my inner corner and outer corner and leaving the middle part. I'm blending it so that there is no any harsh lines. I'm again going on with this glitter and applying in the middle of my lower lashes. For mascara, I'm going on with Maybelline Sky High Mascara. This mascara is waterproof and it is one of my favorite, and I'm applying it on my upper lashes as well as lower lashes. You can stop here or also apply some falsies, and this is the final eye look. If you guys learned something from this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.